Okay, welcome back. Today on our hands is the Pixel 11 Pro XL. So we are going to do a simple unboxing of this particular phone, and then we'll have our upcoming review in a few days time, right? So this is the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. This is how it looks like. So let's unbox it. This is the actual phone. I think this is a new color. Okay. There you go. That's the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. This is the side, back, the edge again, bottom, and the top. So the SIM slot is up here, right? Should be a microphone. Let's power it up. And over here is the casing that comes with it. So let's remove it. Take a look. Very basic casing. Should some kind of a rubberized material. Okay. So it's still putting up. And this is how you actually fit it in. You see? There you go. So this is the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So watch out for our full review coming soon on OCWORKBENCH.